Alright guys, so you want to play guitar? I'm going to show you how. Here we go. Lesson 1. Always wear sunglasses, preferably indoors, because it's in the Rockstar manual. Alright. Lesson 2. This is the guitar. These are the strings. Lesson 3. These are the frets, okay? You're going to get your first finger and you're going to push down on one of the frets that on top of the string there. So first finger on top of the string, push down so it touches the fret. You don't want to be on top of it. You don't want to be too far away from it. You want to just be as close as you can without actually being on top of it. Okay, lesson 4, play the guitar. Here we go. Nice song that goes like this. Okay, Deep Purple, Smoke on the Water. We've got naught, which just means string on its own. We've got 3. We've got 5. We've got naught again. We've got 3. And then we've got 6, 5. Here we go. Naught, 3, 5. Naught, 3, 6, 5. There you go, your first ever tune. All right, let's have a little go at this one. Hit the road jack. All right, so look, 7th fret we're starting on this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 7, 7, 5, 5, 3, 3, 2, 2. 7, 7, 5, 5, 3, 3, 2, 2. There you go. Let's play another song. We're going to do Eye of the Tiger. Okay, it's going to start on the 7th fret again, and we're going to go at this. Look, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7. 7, 2, 3, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 2, 3. I'm using a plectrum here. I'm holding it with my thumb and first finger. You don't want to have it too much of it showing, otherwise it gets caught and flaps around underneath the strings. So you're going to hold it like this, just a little bit of the tip poking out, okay? And there you go. Let's do one more, shall we? Uptown Funk. And we're going to have a 0, 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 0. 0, 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 0. Okay, and there you go. That's how you play guitar in under 3 minutes. Cheers, guys.